The fish, the fish, the fish.
Yeah.
Not only one, two.
Not only one, it's two, man. The white fish, the cocra, the big fish. Yo, 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 guys, welcome back to AJK Vlogs. It's a boy back again with a new interesting video, and today the video gonna be an interesting one. And the video which I'm gonna shoot right now, which I'm gonna explore right now, is all about fishing in Senapati river. Yeah, actually I'm not the fisherman, but I'm going to see my friend fishing, and I'm the one who's gonna go for vlogs. So this is gonna be an interesting video, and as you can see, nobody catch fish this time in Senapati river. I guess so. So I guess let's hit the luck and let's start our video. This is way to Conceal, and almost all the field are done with the plantation, so we got a short foot rod to go. Especially this is really small, but we're trying this as a challenge. Pet is done. Right behind me is a place where once we usually go for swimming a lot when we are in kids. The favorite place for going for swimming usually became a hotspot for dustbin. This is the place when we usually go for swimming when we are in class 4 or 5, but now see the area, it's totally different. Gonna happen, the first try gonna happen. Do pray for the luck.
Pray for the
First
die.
try gonna happen here. The 7 kg net.
7 kg.
Water is dirty. This is a perfect timing for fishing.
Water is dirty. This is perfect time for fishing. Huh?
2 fishermen, 4 of us. We came for visiting invigilator.
I call this Narendra.
First try, first try. Perfect shot. Perfect shot. Cutlass. Tidit, tidit, tidit. Let's get the luck. Let's get the luck. Wow. Football. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. The final shot, we got only 2 fish. Check it out, only 2 fish. Go off for the second shot. Sounds happy, sounds happy. Oh, perfect angle with the perfect fish. Perfect, perfect. Perfection is everywhere, but there is no fish. Perfection. Got stuck. The net got stuck in the stone. There is no fish. River is big, but there is no fish. Since I'm so interested in watching my friend catching the fish, I'm struggling a lot of way, especially this rod. You see this grass, it usually cut our skin easily, but up to my excitement, I'm finding a way to see how they fish and what type of fish they got. There's no rod, but we're making it. Woo! Akina, may say the rod is damn awesome. What the hell of 525 pounds. Adventure mode. Everything is an adventure until and unless we discover an original rod. Oh guys, ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है?
That's a beautiful. No.
Oh, something amazing, something strange happened over there. A big fish known as cocra, the silver crab. Yeah. Oh, actually, the river is just below here, and some big fish. We got some big fish, I guess. Big one. Oh, the fish.
Yeah. Not only one, two.
Not only one, it's two, man. The white fish, the cocra. Big fish stepping into the river. Wow, I thought it's very deep, but it's an average depth. It's about to cocra. Cocra le again. Cocra remena. Okore. Kapare. Dele hai. Hey, no. See guys. I know you are so interested to see this kind of fish in Senapati River. As you can see, the river is dirty, but there are lots of fish.
Disadvantage of
It's
not wearing good.
interested, no? Actually, we lost interest, but now we began interest again. It's gone on me. Our interesting goes on me, you know? Yeah. Almost reached my boot. See, the level. I'm wearing water boot, that's why I cannot go it freely. You see this? If water enters, I'm gone. That's why I'm taking. Oh, we got a big fish. We got a big fish. We got some fish. Some electromagnetic fish. Oh. So burn it down to get way, burn it through the ground. See what man, white fish. Expecting over there. One, two, go! Perfect timing. If there is fish, this is the perfect timing as well as the perfect shot with a perfect round angle. Check it out, please. Hiya! What's wrong with Senapati River? I don't know. There's no fish at all. Senapati River is not okay. I got another perfect shot again, but there's no fish at all. What's the main reason? I don't know. There's not fish at all. Chalo, perfect angle. Chalo. Slowly, silently. Now the fish is coming up. Hey! Can you see that white in color? Can you see that? Can you see that? The fish. At least 9 to 10 fish we got in a shot. Perfect place. Timing, see the timing of the fisherman. Timing. This is called timing.
Running left. No.
We got some. 2 to 3 piece. 2 to 3. Perfect place for watching the fishermen throwing the net. Perfect place. Not exactly a tree house, but similar to that. See?
Oh, the colony. Guys, there's a big
Maybe this is gonna be the last shot. The last shot.
big fish.
Place the big fish.
Big fish.
This is gonna be the last shot.
Oh, let's go. Oh my god, no fish. One couple is starting fish. Hello, Prakash. Jabi na.
The last shot is not okay. There's no fish at all.
I can't find fish. Hey, yum sila.
We got all it is average to eat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. The video is all about going for Ramdan fishing in Senapati River. If you find interested in my vlogs, subscribe it for new upcoming video. This time I'm gonna be so active and I'm gonna upload it regularly. So if you find interested, subscribe my channel and see you guys in the next vlogs. Bye bye.